Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them is a screenplay by J.K. Rowling based on the magical world of Harry Potter, which she originally conceived in her earlier works. Set in the 1920s, this story follows this Scamander, a zoologist who arrives in New York with a suitcase full of magical creatures. This analysis argues that while Fantastic Beasts entertains with its imaginative narrative and vibrant characters. Reflection. In my childhood, I often found a solace in the whimsical world of fantasy literature where magical creatures roam freely and extraordinary adventures awaited around every corner. Through this reflection, I aim to uncover the deeper meaning behind the fantasies we encounter and the lessons they impact.